In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an MP4 text animation with Python MoviePy using Claude. By the end, you'll go from a blank canvas to a simple animated text video and know how to iterate quickly. First, decide the video type you want to create. You have several options: an MP4 video, an animation, a slideshow, a screen recording, a text-to-video piece, or a data visualization. For this walkthrough, we'll keep it straightforward and choose an MP4 video, which is a great default for sharing and compatibility. Next, tell Claude exactly what you want. Clear, specific prompts lead to clean, working code. Describe the setup like this. Generate code that creates a video in Python using MoviePy, output as MP4, with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 at 30 frames per second. Then define the content. A 10-second video with animated text on a black background where the text fades in and fades out. Those details help Claude produce precise code without guesswork. Claude will generate Python code with MoviePy that creates the animation. Typically, you'll see a text clip configured with a message, font size, color, and canvas size. It's set to a 10-second duration, then animated with fade in and fade out. The clip is combined into a composite video clip and written to a file named output.mp4 at 30. Yes. Save that code to a file, for example video.py, so you can run it. Before you run anything, install the dependencies. Use pip to install MoviePy and make sure FFmpeg is available on your system. On many Linux systems, you can install FFmpeg with your package manager. On Windows or Mac OS, follow the official FFmpeg installation instructions and ensure it's on your path. If MoviePy raises errors about missing codecs, that usually means FFmpeg isn't installed or accessible. Now run the script from your terminal with python video.py. When it completes, you'll see a file called output.m4 in the same folder. Open it to preview the animated text fading in and out on a black background. If you notice font issues,